Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Joe and this is Sam. We're doing our great food review. Today, we're going to be reviewing potato chips. Oh my god. Now let me take a good drink out of my water. Shoot. That was not intentional. That was not scripted. Let me just... Oh. Quit laughing. Now we're going to review the potato chip. Stick your tongue out, sir. I said stick your tongue out.
I got it.
Stick. Get in the frame.
Oh.
Sam! These are very...
Salty.
Let me bring out the... Yeah, salty. And they're really... Hey, don't touch anymore. We gotta savor it, Sam. We gotta savor it. They're very, what do I say?
Punchy.
Good. Yes, punchy. Very, really punchy. That water tastes like stale or something.
Yeah, because of the chalice.
Yeah, a holy chalice. Now my jeans are wet, so it looks like I peed myself. Yeah, that doesn't even work.
My bad.
So, these are very good, and I love them. I love them. I don't think there's more in there. It looks like it's done. Very, very, very good. I loved it. Oh my god. That was the best potato chips I've ever had. I'm pretty sure those were Utz.
I cut my tongue open. It's painful.
Wait, what? Let me see this. Oh my god. Open up. Okay, yeah, he's good. Yeah, so those were Utz potato chips. Hope you guys enjoyed watching.